This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing one clean source, consistent resolution, and frame rate. Once your clips are organized, open stick nodes and import as a movie clip or sequence. You want frames to align. You must place the clip on a new stick figure layer so it won't overwrite poses. Then set the project FPS to match the clip. This prevents timing drift. Finally, scrub the timeline quickly to confirm the clip plays and that its first frame lines up where you intend. Next, you align and refine the clip inside stick nodes. Trim the clip by dragging its edges on the timeline, then use Loop Preview to verify timing. Make sure to adjust scale and position in the Properties panel so the clip matches the scene. Once positioned, add keyframes to the stick figure layer for any extra motion. Matching keyframes to clip beats keeps movement natural. Also, if you have audio, play it alongside the clip and nudge clip frames until the action and sound. When you're ready, export with the same FPS and resolution you used while editing to avoid stutter or sliding. Choose a format stick node supports or export a PNG sequence for lossless quality, then compile externally if needed. If the exported clip shows artifacts or misalignment, recheck frame rate and layer order. Mismatched FPS is the most common cause. Also confirm alpha settings if you expected transparency. If problems persist, re-import the original movie at native resolution and retry with a test render.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.